Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to replace the brush roll belt in this vacuum cleaner. Most vacuum cleaners have a brush roll belt, and it's often broken after many uses like this Bissell Powerforce Helix vacuum cleaner. Don't throw away your vacuum cleaner before trying R, which is reuse, reduce, and recycle. A new belt costs under $5 and replacing the broken belt is quite easy. Let's get to it. First, remember to unplug the vacuum. To access the belts, turn it over and remove 4 screws that hold the sole plate. Gently remove the sole plate. Here is the broken brush roll belt. To install the new belt, place the belt around the motor spindle. Then feed the brush roll through the new belt. Put one end of the brush roll back in its position, followed by the other end, like so. Give it a little spin, then cover it with the sole plate. Secure the sole plate with the screws using an electric screwdriver set between low to medium torque. Plug the power line to an electrical outlet. Run a quick test. Now the vacuum is ready to be reused again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell.